Hazrat Imran bin Hussain radiyallahu anhu states, I was along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam during a journey. One night we were traveling when it was the last session of the night. We dismounted and our eyes overcome us. We remained asleep till the sun ascended up. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu was the first to awake. It was our practice not to awake Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would himself get up. The next to get up was Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, who stood beside Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and started pronouncing Allahu Akbar aloud until Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam awoke. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his head and saw that the sun had risen. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam therefore said, "Move from here." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam set off along with us until when the sun was widespread. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the morning prayer with us. A man remained aloof from the gathering and did not perform the prayer along with us. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had finished the prayer, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked him, "Why did not you perform the prayer with us?" He submitted, "I was sexually defiled, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded him to perform dry ablution with the pure soil. So he performed the dry ablution. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then dispatched me with some other riders in search of water, as we were then gasping of water. While we were advancing, we witnessed a woman going on her mount, hanging her both feet between two water skins. We asked her where the water was. She said, "It is far away. You cannot find it." We asked her, "How far is the water from your house?" She said, "It is at a day and night's journey." We said to her, "You should come to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." She asked, "Who is Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam?" We could not help taking her to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked her about her whereabouts, and she told him what she had told us. She also added that she had many orphans. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed orders to make her mount kneel down, so it was made to kneel down. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam gargled in her water skins and then made the mount get up. Then all of us drank water from that water skin. We were 40 thirsty men who got satiated, and we replenished our all water skins and vessels. And the sexually defiled man was also made to take a bath. But we did not water any of the camels, whereas his water skins were even then full of water. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to us, "Bring whatever you have." We people brought a lot many pieces of bread and dates. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam tied all their items in a sack and said to that woman, "Take these things along with you and feed them to your children. And know it well that we have not reduced any of your water." After reaching her home, that woman said, "Today I have come after meeting the greatest magician amongst the human being, or that man is a prophet as he claims. Today he has shown such and such miracles." Allah Jalla Jalaluhu blessed that locality with guidance due to that woman. That woman herself embraced Islam, and the other people of her locality also embraced Islam. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 1561.